Starting out today's video with an oil change. I've been using the 10W60 on the Skyline along with this K&N oil filter. I spent almost $90 for an oil change on this car, which is ridiculous. And then for the S2000, I use this right here. $26 plus $8 for an oil change. Big difference. Alright guys, now that we got the oil back in the car, this is my least favorite thing to do on the car because it literally has no oil for a few seconds. Damn! I don't know, maybe in the future do an oil relocation kit, but I have heard problems with having that, so I don't know. As long as the car doesn't blow up, I'm okay with it. I'm setting up the GoPro 360 right here. Maybe we can get some cool shots around the mountains. Look at that view, man. That is insane. Love it. Maybe I can get some cool shots of some fireballs coming out of the car. God, that sounds good. That sounds so good. I hope you guys are enjoying this little like POV driving video. I've been wanting to do one since forever, but I just thought they were really boring. Thought I might as well try it and kind of give you guys a little RB sound. Dude, it's really foggy out today. What the hell? Also, this camera freaking goes out of focus so much. We made it with the 360 GoPro in the rear. I'm scared that this thing's gonna go offline one day. Like the whole thing's not gonna be there anymore. Alright guys, we got some Tosti Locos after a nice cruise. Probably go watch a movie or something, and this is my dinner for tonight. I don't know what it is, something about walking to your car. You know how you guys usually park and then you look back before you leave? Like when you park your car and then you go to the store. I like walking towards my car. It just gives me like, I don't know. It's like the opposite, you know? I need something to hold things in my car because one of the Skyline buddies really like hooked me up with this little like drink tray. But now I need something for like my food. So my tripod is gonna be my helper. Also, old car problems. That little door light, dude, both of my doors are locked and I got this little door light on. Drives me crazy. I know I'm complaining about this, guys. I know. If I didn't have a Skyline, I would be saying like, gosh, I wish I had that problem, you know? Honestly, I am grateful that I have these problems, because this is the car that I wanted. But I do have to say that if I ever bought another car, I would buy an R35. You know, something new, something faster. I don't know how reliable R35s are. I've heard transmission issues, but I feel like now that I've experienced the Skyline JDM life, I feel like it is worth it. It's worth the hype, but it's just like, it's an old car. And a lot of people don't realize that stuff's gonna start breaking down unless you deal with it. You know, if that's what you like and you like to deal with like little things like that, then I guess it's worth it. Going back to work now, guys. So this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.